Botox regret. Let's talk about something that a lot of women feel, but they're not always willing to share. So maybe you've tried Botox because you thought it would give you that youthful look, only to realize that over time, it's not what you wanted. Maybe now, instead of feeling youthful, you're dealing with the long-term consequences, which include thinning skin, muscle atrophy, or even just not feeling like yourself. If you've ever looked in the mirror and thought, I wish I hadn't done that, it's okay. You're not alone. The good news is you can turn back the clock naturally by detoxing from Botox, nourishing your body with clean, healthy choices, and using natural beauty techniques. You can restore your skin's health without resorting to injections ever again. It's time to take control of your beauty and your health, and I'm here to show you how. I'm Trina Felber, your clean health and beauty coach, and the founder of Primal Life Organics. Today, I want to address this because it's on a lot of women's minds. What to do when you start regretting Botox. Because maybe you got Botox thinking it would give you that youthful, wrinkle-free look, but now you're dealing with some of the effects, including the sagging skin, thinning muscles, or health conditions that you didn't have prior to Botox. Or maybe you're concerned about the health risks that are, and are ready to detox and go natural. You might even be asking yourself, what have I done? But don't worry, you're not alone. The good news is we can reverse that safely. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to detox from Botox and rebuild your skin naturally. These are things that your doctor might not be addressing, but I will. So let's get started. The first step is to support your body's detoxification pathways. By doing this, it's going to help you process and remove the neurotoxin more efficiently. Botox is not just in your skin, it's affecting your entire body. You need to support your detox pathways to ensure you're getting rid of those toxins safely. Here's how you can support that. First, your liver. Support your liver because your liver is your body's detox powerhouse and it needs to be supported. Incorporate liver-loving foods like dandelion greens, turmeric, and cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower to help your liver process and eliminate those toxins. Step 2 is to make sure you're hydrated. This is crucial, especially with your liver. You want to hydrate with water and aim for 8 to 10 glasses a day. And add some lemon to kickstart detoxification. Water is essential to flush toxins out of your system and keep your skin hydrated. And then the third part of your detoxification pathways is lymphatic drainage. Your lymphatic system is vital in eliminating toxins. Incorporating simple lymphatic drainage techniques like facial massage and dry brushing can help move toxins out of your body more efficiently. These practices also boost circulation and promote healthy, glowing skin, so that's a bonus. The second step is to nourish your skin from the inside with bone broth and other nutrients. So let's talk about rebuilding your skin from the inside. And one of the biggest things Botox affects is collagen production. It essentially paralyzes your muscle over time. And this weakens your skin structure, leading to sagging and wrinkled skin. That's why we need to focus on replenishing your collagen. And bone broth is one of my absolute favorite ways to naturally boost collagen. It's packed with amino acids your body needs to rebuild the structures of your skin, promoting elasticity and firmness. So drink a cup of bone broth daily. And if you can, just make it at home and ensure it's clean and organic. If you're not a fan of bone broth, collagen supplements can also be a great alternative to jumpstart your skin's recovery. In addition to bone broth, you can also nourish your skin with vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production. So load up on berries, citrus fruits, and leafy greens. This vitamin will also help your skin bounce back faster. Another healthy alternative is healthy fats. Omega-3 rich foods like wild-caught salmon, flax seeds, and chia seeds hydrate your skin from within and keep it plump and youthful. And thirdly, antioxidants. All antioxidant-rich foods like spinach, sweet potatoes, and blueberries will fight off the free radicals and repair skin damage. The third step is to look for natural skincare and switch to a natural, clean skincare routine. So you need to look at what you're putting on your skin. Botox aside, so many skincare products out there are filled with toxins that are working against your skin's natural healing process. So you want to switch to simple, clean skincare routine, which can include oil cleansing. So you can trade in harsh cleansers for oil cleansing with natural oils like jojoba or rosehip. This will help nourish and cleanse your skin without stripping it and helps to restore balance. You can use facial oils. They are usually rich in essential fatty acids. Oils such as argan oil or hemp seed oil will help repair and hydrate your skin. They support your skin barrier, help reduce inflammation and keep your skin smooth. And gentle exfoliation once or twice a week with natural exfoliants like ground oats or sugar. This helps remove the dead skin cells and encourages new, healthy skin to the surface. The fourth step is to rebuild those facial muscles with techniques like face yoga or massage. Botox will weaken your facial muscles over time, but as long as you stop getting Botox, you can rebuild that strength naturally. Face yoga is an incredible tool to help lift and firm your face without invasive treatments. A simple face yoga exercise to get started is the cheek lift. You want to open your mouth into an O shape, cover your teeth with your upper lip, and smile with your cheek. So you're going to You want to hold this for 10 seconds and then relax. Repeat it 10 to 15 times daily to strengthen and lift your cheek muscles. Also, face massage can also work wonders in promoting circulation and collagen production. Massage your face using upward strokes with natural oil to help tone your skin. And the fifth step is, to understand what Botox does to your body and understand hormone disruptors. So let's talk about something that a lot of women feel, but they don't share, which is that Botox regret. Here's the truth. Botox, along with other skincare products, can cause internal inflammation that affects more than just your skin. So if you're dealing with issues like thyroid, autoimmune disease, or menopausal symptom, it's likely you've been exposed to hormone disruptors through your skincare routine, as well as the toxin Botox. If this sounds familiar, don't worry. There's a way to detox your body safely, reduce the inflammation, and heal in a way that your doctor might not be addressing, but I will. So step 6 is to commit to the process and be patient. So I know you want to see quick results, but detoxing from Botox and skincare products and rebuilding your skin naturally will take some time. Be patient with yourself and trust the process. With consistent effort, you'll start seeing improvements and your skin will feel more hydrated, firmer, and you'll get that natural glow back. Remember, it's not just about the look of your skin. It's about how you feel in your skin and the health of your body. I always say beauty is the bonus. You have to make sure that your body is healthy, and beauty will be the bonus. And when you take care of yourself from the inside out, that's when you truly radiate beauty. So thank you so much for joining me. Botox and many conventional skincare products don't just affect your skin, they cause internal inflammation throughout your body. And if you're suffering from thyroid disease, autoimmune diseases, or menopausal symptoms, there's a good chance you've been exposed to hormone disruptors hidden in your skincare products. Your body deserves better, and you deserve to feel your best. So the next steps to detox your body from these harmful toxins are essential to get back to balance in a way that your doctor probably isn't addressing. But I will. So see below for how to take the next step on this journey to detox and heal your body naturally. You have the power to reclaim your health and beauty. So let's do this together. And don't forget to follow me for more detoxification tips for health and beauty.